Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Lenovo Vibe K5 Plus. Here you can see this is A6020A46. This is the Plus variant. You can flash this ROM in a Vibe K5 also. This is the Android version. This is the Havoc OS. Here you can see the Android version. Here you will get Android 10. This is 3.1 Havoc version. 1 January security patch. This is the latest build release till now for Lenovo Vibe K5. 11 January build date. Here you can see 1 January security patch, 11 January build date. Kernel Quicksilver kernel is installed in this ROM. Now let's check the features of this ROM. Now let's check the Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. Hotspot is also working properly. I will update you about the Volt in the description. You can check the description. Geo is 100% working, but I will update you about the Volt in the description, just so you can check the description. For bugs also you can check the description. Here the configuration center. Bluetooth is also working perfectly. Hotspot is also working perfectly, no problem. Here is the configuration center. Here is the status bar modification. You can customize. Custom logo is also available in this ROM. Left, right, you can switch according to your use. It works perfectly. Brightness control is also available. Double tap to sleep on the status bar. Works perfectly, no problem. Here you can see it works smoothly. Network traffic indicator is also available when you turn on the internet. Activity arrows, you will get the arrows. Carrier label name, here is the carrier label name. Status bar, no service. Here you can see no SIM is inserted in this device, so that's why it's showing. Battery icon circle, you can adjust according to your percentage while charging enabled. It inside percentage is not available. Status bar, here the status bar icons. Here is the Volt icon available in this ROM. Here you can enable the Volt if the Volt is not available. Status bar is not showing. HD icon instead of Volt 4G icon. I will update you about the Volt in the description. You can check the description. Here is the quick settings. Quick pull down is available. Right, left, battery intensity. These are the quick settings. Here you can see these are the quick settings. Header image is also available in this ROM. In image poison. Here you can see this is the poison. This is the header image. You can change according to your use. Let's disable it. Here is the column. You can change the value column also. If you want 4 columns, you can enable the 4 columns. If you want 5, 6, 4, 3, you can adjust according to your use. Landscape, portrait, you can adjust according to your. Vibration is also available in this QS channels. If you turn on this, you will feel vibrate. It's work perfectly. Status bar brightness is also available. You can change from top to bottom, bottom to top. Here you can see this is the network traffic indicator. Setting icon is also working. Ambient display, here you get the ambient display. Here is the always on display, always on charging. Always on display is not working in this ROM. Here you can see I have turned on the always on display, but it does not work. Now let's skip this. Simply skip it. Pick up, hand wave, pocket, see, these are the gestures. It works perfectly if the sensor is working in your device. Here is the screen. Let's check the screen. Use frame values. Rounded corners, you can adjust the rounded corners. Here is the buttons available in this ROM. Disable keys, if you want to disable the hardware keys, you can disable. Swap keys, backlight, these are power options, volume rockers. But navigation bar option is also available, but it is disabled. You cannot enable the navigation bar. Here you can see there is no option to enable it. Swipe to fingerprint is also working perfectly. 3 finger screenshot. Here you can see lock screen. Let's check the lock screen. Double tap to sleep. It's work perfectly, no problem. Here you can see double tap, it sleeps device. Vibration, pocket detection is also working perfectly. Status bar on the lock screen, you can change according to your use. Notification, let's add the notification. Edge lightning is working, but it does not work perfectly. It turn off automatically. It turned off within few seconds only. चार्जिंग लाइट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग परफेक्टली. रेड इंडिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगी देखने के लिए, वो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. वाइब्रेशन ऑन कनेक्ट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. Animation, these are the animation. App opening task, when you open the application, when you close the application. Wallpaper open, wallpaper intro open, move to front. These are the animation. You can adjust according to your use. It works perfectly. Each and every feature of this ROM is tested before explaining to you. Suspend action, switch to 2G, disable mobile data. You can change according to your user. Battery usage you can change according to your user. These are miscellaneous settings. The battery performance of this ROM depends upon your battery health. How is your battery health? You can see according to your use. This is the brightness level is working perfectly, no problem. In adaptive brightness is also working perfectly, no problem. Screen attention, here the screen attention dp, you can change the dp according to your use. And let's set the always on display. Always on display is not working in this device. Always on display bug, device cut out. Dark theme is also available in this ROM. Here you can see this is the pure black theme. Asian color, headline, body font is also working. Shape, you can change the shape also, it's work perfectly. Asian color is also working perfectly, you can change. Here you can see it work perfectly, no problem. Let's check the sound also. Sound is very loud, no problem. In sound, vibration is also working perfectly. When you call, when you receive the call, phone vibrates when the incoming call is coming. The sound is also working, but it is very low. 9.91 GB storage free available, but there are few files in my storage like Havoc OS, custom ROM, zip file and open gaps. You have to flash the open gaps. Gaps is not included in this ROM, so you have to flash open gaps. Let's set the security. No face unlock is available in this ROM. Here you can see only screen lock, no face unlock. Location is working perfectly, no problem. In location system, these are the systems options available. You can there is no any other feature option available. Let's check the language also. Here is the language provided in this ROM. Add a language. These are the, here you can see Nepali, Bharat, Marathi, Hindi is available in this ROM. Each and every language is available in this ROM. These are the application available in this ROM. I have installed the YouTube. YouTube is not included in this ROM. I have installed it. It's work perfectly, no problem in YouTube. Here you can see I will play the video. It works perfectly, no problem in YouTube. So you can easily play the videos. There is no restart. You can enjoy the YouTube videos without any problem. So you can easily log in also. If you want the installation of this, you can check the previous video. I have told you about the installation of the ROMs in that video, so you can check. But only you have to replace the file. You have to flash this Havoc file instead of that files. And open cache is mandatory. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates. I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.